Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jessica Stalker. I am a real estate agent here in Beverly Hills, and I talk all things Metaverse. Today, I want to talk about how to buy your first piece of real estate in the Metaverse. So let's get started. So the first step you need to do is go on to OpenSea, click on Explore, and type in the search bar for Decentraland. I'm going to do Decentraland today. There's a bunch of different metaverses that you can buy parcels of land from, but I'm going to do Decentraland because that's what I know and love the most, but you can choose which one you want. So once we're on Decentraland here, you can scroll down, and if you go on price from low to high, it shows you what the floor price is. So the floor price is basically just the cheapest parcel. So it looks like right now the cheapest parcel is around $37,000. So they're kind of expensive right now. I probably wouldn't recommend getting into it, but I did want to make this video just to help people that have never even bought a parcel and want to know what the steps are. So now that we're on this parcel of land, you can place a bid and you have to go over and connect your MetaMask. So MetaMask is basically like, I guess, the bank, you would say, the crypto bank. You're basically connecting your wallet, and you can do this through Apple Pay. You can deposit money directly from your bank account, whatever you prefer. So now you have to install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, so now that you've added it to your extension, you can now create a MetaMask wallet. And once you sign in and create your MetaMask wallet, make sure you keep your password somewhere safe because this is going to be your life source. I've made the mistake of losing that one time, so make sure you keep that in your notes or maybe print it out, put it in your drawer somewhere safe. Once you're signed into MetaMask, you now can transfer funds from your bank account directly, or you can do it through a credit card. Now, you're going to see some gas fees, and the gas fees fluctuate. My gas fees, I just transferred, I think it was like $400, and my gas fees were around $40, I think it was. So they fluctuate, they go up and down. You do probably want to do more money up front just so you can kind of eat the gas fees a little bit, because each time you do it, you're gonna have gas fees. And then once you transfer the money, it should only take about 5-10 minutes if you do it from a credit or debit card, and the funds will be available in your account. Once the funds are available in your account, you can go back onto OpenSea, and you can either place a bid or you can buy a property. If it says buy now, you can purchase buy now. And once you have the property, go ahead and log into Decentraland, and you can look around and see where you're at. And there's an option in Decentraland to build stuff on your property, or what you could do, I have a team of software engineer developers that help me if I want to create something on Decentraland. They're basically creating something through software engineering. Let's say that I want to do a coffee shop. They would then put in coffee signs and little virtual coffees and anything else that I want. So now that we know how to purchase the land, I think the first step honestly should be, before purchasing, you should know how to value a land. So how do you value land? And I'm going to go off of Decentraland because that's what I bought land in. How do you value land in Decentraland? First and foremost, you need to know where are the popular places that people go. So there's Republic Realm, there's Adidas, they have Gucci. There's a bunch of different popular storefronts that would be good to buy stores next to them if you want to capitalize off their foot traffic and get some marketing potential. Some popular places are Crypto Valley, Voltaire District, Soho Plaza, Genesis Plaza, and these all are the main plazas. So I would suggest trying to find a parcel that's closer to these plazas, only because, like I said before, high foot traffic equals high potential for marketing to these people. So if someone's just walking around in Genesis Plaza, maybe they're not even thinking about getting a coffee, but they see your little shop and they maybe want to stop in and see your NFTs or whatever it is you're selling. So this is why it's better to have a parcel that's next to plazas that are already popular. The places that I would stay away from for now are places that aren't next to any districts, or places that are in the outskirts, aren't next to any roads, and aren't really next to anything popular, because you really do want to capitalize off the foot traffic that Decentraland already has. Now, if you're creating a new fun experience and you're not going to capitalize off the foot traffic, maybe you're going to bring in your own audience through your own marketing potential outside of Decentraland, then I would say it doesn't matter where you purchase. You can purchase anywhere and then market it outside of Decentraland. So you're bringing in a whole new audience. But if you do obviously want to use Decentraland's marketing potential with their foot traffic, then I would obviously find a place that's super popular. So each parcel of land is 16 meters by 16 meters in Decentraland. And let's say you want to build something bigger. Let's say you want to create an arcade full of games and you need a lot of space. You would probably need 2 or 3 parcels that are next to each other so you can buy them all and create a bigger space for the avatars to go and hang out. So size really does matter when you're purchasing a parcel, much like physical real estate. The bigger the parcel, the more that you can build on top of it. And the more that you buy parcels next to each other, obviously, the bigger you can build something on top of it. Because you want to make sure that you're finding a big enough parcel of land to where whatever business you're going to host, it's going to allow the amount of avatars that you need to be inside your land, and also B, have the amount of space that allows you to host. If you're doing an arcade, it allows you to have a lot more games for people to play. And obviously that will get you more revenue because each game that you have in your arcade gives you more money. So the bigger the plot of land, the more room you'll have to be able to build stuff inside of it. Once you have this land, you won't necessarily be building it yourself. There's a group of software architect engineers, and I have a group that I work with that I really like, and they can also go inside Decentraland for you and build whatever it is that you're looking to create. So there's 2 different ways you can go about it. You yourself can go explore Decentraland. You can create an avatar and walk around and see the popular places and try to understand, okay, if there's an arcade here, maybe I should put an ice cream shop across the street or a pizza shop, whatever it is. You'll understand the more that you walk around and see the popular places and what each district is known for. Or you can hire a real estate agent, much like myself or someone else that is very experienced in Decentraland and already knows where the popular places are and what type of businesses are already in the metaverse that you can be next to help with foot traffic and marketing potential. So if you need someone like me to help, and I also have other real estate agents in the metaverse that I can refer to you that have been in this space for a while, and all you need to do is let them know what business you're looking to create, and based off that, they can help you understand what parcel makes sense for you to purchase and what businesses make sense for you to be next to in order to get the most marketing potential and the most return on your investment. So I know this was a short video. It's just like a quick overview of how to buy and how to value land in Decentraland. And if you guys have more questions, feel free to comment below, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day.